Information on setting up an account for the very first time, new account. I will sometimes just put in our average best-selling products, and then I'll make adjustments to the account as time goes on. Other times, I will send a list, if the customers are willing to go through the effort, of all the different products we offer for a machine, have them select items they would like to see by employee, tally that all together, come up with a list of what people say are going to be the hottest selling products, and I put those in the machine to start with. It's a very customer-friendly thing to do, though it's not always accurate. Just because someone says they like something, they like it, doesn't mean they're actually going to buy it. So once I put those products in the machine, I may have to make adjustments as time goes by. This machine's been set up specifically to the customer's requests at this particular location. They sent me the information. I created a menu, and from that menu, I set up the machine. It should be ready to go. This is the best way to show your customer you're really listening, you really care. And it's a good way to find out what sort of specialty items may sell there. You just have to be careful that you can't keep that as your menu and tell your drivers, okay, here's the menu, you have to stick to this, because, like I said, that's not necessarily what's going to sell in the machine. And when it really comes down to it, that's how our customers vote for what goes in the machine, is with their dollars and their coins. When they buy something, they're voting to keep that item in there.